Hey, if you've ever sat down to write a blog post and thought, how do I make this stand out, build authority, and actually rank on Google? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to write blog posts that don't just fill space, but actually build brand authority. And I'll reveal how you can create high authority, SEO optimized blog posts using a game-changing tool called Content Write. Here's the truth. Most blog posts online are generic. They sound robotic, they don't connect with readers, and they don't build trust. And when your content doesn't build trust, it doesn't build authority. That means fewer backlinks, fewer shares, and fewer conversions. Traditional AI writers? They're fast, sure, but they treat you like a stranger. You type in a prompt, and out comes the same lifeless content that a million other people are publishing. No personality, no context, no connection to your brand. And then the real work begins. Editing, formatting, adding links, checking SEO, fixing tone. Hours wasted, hundreds of dollars spent, and still, the content doesn't sound like you. That's where Content Write changes the game. It's the world's first AI content platform that actually learns your website before writing a single word. Here's how it works. Step 1. You connect your WordPress site. Content Write scans everything: your articles, categories, tags, internal links, writing style, and vocabulary. This is called your site DNA. Step 2. Every blog post it generates is built on top of that DNA. It writes in your voice. It links to your existing posts. It stays in your niche automatically. Step 3. You can even train it with your own knowledge. Upload PDFs, product specs, research notes, so the AI uses your expertise instead of generic internet data. That means every blog post you publish is original, authoritative, and aligned with your brand. Authority isn't just about sounding smart. It's about consistency, credibility, and trust. When your blog posts reflect your unique voice, link to your existing content, and stay in your niche, readers start to see you as the go-to expert. And here's the kicker. Content Write doesn't just help you write, it helps you rank. Every article is SEO optimized with internal linking, readability checks, plagiarism detection, and even AI detection scoring so you know how human it reads. Plus, it's structured to be indexed and cited by AI search engines like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and Google AI Overviews. That means when someone asks an AI, "What's the best platform for this?" your site can be the one recommended inside the chat. That's brand authority at scale. But it doesn't stop at writing. Content Write is an all-in-one content powerhouse. AI image generation with DALL-E 3 and Stable Diffusion. AI photo studio for professional product shots. AI video creation with Runway and Sora. AI avatars and voice cloning in 80+ languages. Automatic publishing to WordPress and social media. One dashboard, one login, one platform. No juggling 10 different subscriptions. No wasting hours fixing robotic content. Just high-authority blog posts that sound like you, rank on Google, and get cited across AI search engines. So if you're serious about building brand authority, stop settling for generic AI content. Start creating blog posts that position you as the expert in your niche. With Content Write, you'll write faster, publish smarter, and finally see your content working for you instead of against you. And here's the best part. Right now, you can lock in lifetime access for just $37. That's less than what most tools charge per month, and you're getting the most complete AI content platform ever built. Click the link below, connect your site, and publish your first high-authority blog post today. Because authority isn't built by chance, it's built by strategy. And Content Write gives you that strategy on autopilot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.